In 2025, remote work is more than a trend, it's the new normal. Many top US companies are expanding their work-from-home options, offering flexible, stable job opportunities that allow you to earn a steady income from the comfort of your home. Here are the top 5 work-from-home jobs currently hiring in the USA. FedEx is leading the charge with virtual customer service roles, logistics support, and package tracking assistance. These jobs are perfect for individuals with good communication and problem-solving skills, and they offer paid training, equipment, and benefits. If you're organized and love helping people, FedEx might be the ideal remote employer for you. PepsiCo, a global brand known for innovation, is currently hiring remote workers for data entry, marketing coordination, and virtual administrative assistant roles. These jobs typically require strong digital skills, time management, and attention to detail, making them a great fit for professionals who want a stable, long-term remote career. Aldi, while known for its in-store savings, is also growing its remote workforce. They're offering positions such as HR support, remote schedulers, and payroll assistants. Aldi's work-from-home roles are ideal for individuals who are organized and efficient, with many part-time and full-time options available. Amazon Warehouse, despite its physical presence, now includes remote roles in customer service, supply chain support, and order management. These positions let you be part of Amazon's massive logistics system, all from home. Finally, Kelly Services connects remote workers with companies across the country. Whether you're interested in education, healthcare, IT support, or clerical jobs, Kelly offers hundreds of remote placements with flexible schedules and competitive pay. Each of these companies provides legit, real work-from-home opportunities